Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel, Irin Academy. I am very happy to see you here again. Let me ask you a question. Do you ever feel guilty? That you are running all day long, taking care of everyone, but at the end of the day, your own dreams are sitting still untouched on the shelf. I know that feeling. It is a constant thought that I wish I had more discipline. Stop feeling guilty. Self-discipline is not a talent you are born with. It is a habit you can learn. Today I'll share with you a 15-minute rule that changed my life. By the end of this video, you will learn how to make time, even if you are a busy mother of two, just like me. Let me tell you something personal, that I am a busy mother of two little angels. In whole day, I have to do a lot of things: cooking, cleaning, feeding, raising two children in a single hand, and writing, reading, praying, meditating, exercising. I'm doing all these things in my whole day, and I'm not a mother. I'm a dreamer. I I want to inspire me and the people. So I started Irin Academy. But how can I manage all these things in my busy life? The answer is 15-minute rule. Self-discipline is not about doing hard things. It is about doing the small things consistently. It is a bridge between the dream and the reality. Now let's talk about some real life example. Look at the visionary Elon Musk. He is building electric cars, rocket, and changing the world. How does he do it? It is not luck. It is extremely self-discipline. He is known for working incredible hours, spent 15 minutes in the evening for preparing the next morning. It means you are making the next day easier for your future self. And this means less chaos for the busy mother. Now let's talk about another living legend, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. He is one of the busiest actors in the world. Usually he wakes up before 4 a.m. every day. He makes this time to exercise. He does this not because he is motivated every day. He does this because he is self-disciplined. He makes this time and he committed to the habit. He will do it no matter how busy he is. So what is the rule? It is very simple. Only commit to a 15 minutes to your goal. 15-minute rules. Let's break it down. You do not write the whole chapter at a time. Rather, you are writing for 15 minutes. Like you are not cleaning the whole house at a time. Rather, you just clean the kitchen counter for 15 minutes. The victory is not doing the big job. The victory is starting and finishing in 15 minutes. Use a timer. When it rings, stop that job. That's it. Hey, my dear amazing friends, discipline is easier when you're prepared. This is the habit number one. dress your future self. When you uh, spend 15 minutes every day preparing for the next day, by doing this, you are making the next day easier for your future self. The biggest enemy of self discipline is interruption, especially for mother. The child needs you. The phone rings. The milk is spilled. And now I am talking about the rule number 2, 2-minute reset. When my children needs me while I am scripting or editing my video, sometimes I feel very irritated because of it, but then I practice that 2-minute reset. I close my eyes and take breath and remember my why. That helps me back to my desk. When interruption happens, you should not let the defeat last. As soon as the interruption handled, you have 2 minutes to reset. Close your eyes and take a deep breath and remember your why. Don't open the social media. This is the death of the self-discipline. Your 15 minutes victory will add up to a huge life change. You are courageous. You just need consistency. Now let's talk about the famous basketball legendary player Kobe Bryant. Kobe was not just talented, he was legendary for his discipline. The people called his work ethic as the Mamba mentality. Kobe was famous for waking up at 4 a.m. even before his team arrived. His discipline was simple: do more than everyone else every single day. This small, consistent showing up early is the secret to become his champion. Now, I want to hear from you. What is the one goal you are going to commit for 15 minutes to this week? Write it in the comments below. So, my dear friends, subscribe to the Irin Academy, stay consistent, stay positive, and share this video with someone who are struggling with his or her busy schedule. See you in the next episode. Until then, take care of your mind and body. Assalamu alaikum.